Okay, we're going to draw a rectangle and a couple of triangles without any guides or with guides that we make, just to sort of demonstrate how we can do that. So we're going to use this ruler. We're going to use the centimeter side, the metric side. Scientists, engineers, doctors, bike mechanics, lots of folks use metric for a number of reasons, and most of the world uses it. And we're going to use it today. So notice that we start always here at 0, right? If you're drawing a line or measuring something, this is 0, not over here, right? They're giving you extra room to see what's going on. That is 0. So these 1, 2, 3, 4 marks, these are centimeters. And one of the great things that makes the metric system excellent is we're counting by tens. So each centimeter is made up of 10 of these little millimeters, which means we can be very precise. Notice that every 5 millimeters is a longer line. So that's middle line is longer, and then middle, or the 1, middle, 2, etc. So we can count by 1 centimeter at a time, 1, 2, 3. We can count by 10 millimeters at a time, 10, 20, 30, 40. We can count by 5s, right? If we wanted to say what is 25 millimeters, we'd say 10, 20, 5 right there. Okay, so that's just a quick review of that. All right, so let's say that we want to draw a rectangle that's 65 by 90 millimeters, and then we maybe want to cut it out. So I could try and use the edge of this cardboard here. It doesn't look all that straight to me, so I'm just going to draw my own straight line. That is, I'm going to do the 90 side down here. I'm not going to worry too much about lining it up with anything. So that is a nice 90 millimeter line. Okay, so now I know that I want the sides to be 65, but how do I make sure that they're at the correct angle? Well, I can use any kind of a thing that has a 90-degree angle. I laser cut this cardboard so I know that it does. I could use other shapes too, other items. So I'm just going to go here and line myself up, and I'm going to draw a bit. And then I can just measure my 65 millimeters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a half. And I'm going to start here. Okay, and there's that line. Similar thing on this side. Hopefully you won't be having to work around a tripod like I am right now. So I'll line that up, go to the 0 point right here, draw my line, and then I just have to connect these 2 points. All right, there's a rectangle. I could make a square, etc. Okay, so and to make a triangle, let's make a couple kinds of quick triangles here. So I'm going to start again. I'm going to say, all right, I want this triangle to have a 85 millimeter base. And actually, let's make the math easier. Let's go to 90. Okay, and I know the midpoint of 90 is 45. And I know my endpoints. Okay, so what I can just do is, again, I can line up and at the middle and go up as high as I want for my triangle. And now all I have to do is connect the top, and we're going to have a really nice triangle here. So I could just cut on the outside if I wanted. I could trace it over in pen and then erase this line. Also, if I wanted a right triangle like that, I could just erase this half or just cut out this portion right here. So there we've got a couple kinds of triangles and a rectangle or square. And there's other methods to do this, but this will work for you pretty well. Thanks.